that kindergarten year, but look at that. She's already prepped. He says, let's rock and roll, man. I'm 4.
I love the expression on her face there.
Ready.
That's awesome.
I'm ready for big school. Let's go. Happy birthday, KORAH in Carterville.
And let's see, here's a little early birthday wish going out to RHYKER CONARD-JOHNSON, who is gonna be 5 years old this year. He is in Columbus.
Looks like he got the backpack on too. That bitch ready to rock and roll. RAELEAH Hayward. RAELEAH is turning 5. She's in Altamont, and if I'm not mistaken, I think she's got a backpack on too, because she is already a kindergartner at Altamont Grade School. RAELEAH, I want you to know this comes with love from Papa and Uma Hayward. And even though that birthday was yesterday, I wanted to make sure we got your picture on so everybody at the grade school there can wish you a happy, happy birthday.
All right. And let's see, turning 7 strong this year. I love that shirt. Levick Vaughn is 7 years old in Fort Scott.
Got a WARLOP birthday. What's J-Dub got on? He's got his backpack.
Yeah, he does.
He's ready to rock and roll.
And a Trojan Pride shirt too.
Little Gerard Trojan Pride right there. WARLOPs, of course, they got a little storied football family history right there. J-Dub ready to take up the mantle, I can tell. Happy birthday, big man in Frontenac.
All right, KENZLEIGH BORLAND is 8 years old this year. She's getting a little last vacation. No backpack for her in that picture.
No, she's on vacation.
Yeah, I like it. She is in Carthage. Happy birthday, KENZLEIGH.
Miracle Clark, what a gorgeous name. Miracle is celebrating her 9th birthday. She goes to Irving Elementary, so everybody at Irving, stop, social distance, and tell Miracle happy birthday from us. And Miracle, I want you to know that these wishes come from Pawpaw. Miracle's in Joplin.
All right, birthday wishes going out to Brock Ross from Nana, Jim, Mom, Dad, and Courtney. Brock is in Riverton, like that picture there, Rams. Let's see, Brock is 14 years old.
Darcy Jones, a happy 18th birthday. Miss Darcy, she is celebrating this weekend in Chanute.
Nice picture there, Darcy. And let's see, we've got Marty Reno, turning 47 years old this year. Marty is in Girard.
In Liberal, Laura McWilliams, a happy 56th birthday to Laura.
Right. Dale Bogner turning 64 years old this year in Parsons. Happy birthday from your wife and daughter.
Now, Cindy Ashmore has a birthday, and we want to make sure that we celebrate not only with Cindy, but evidently also with Casey Wolf. But more importantly for Cindy, she's got bigger things and more important things on her hands, because a hearty congratulations as she recently became a new grandmother. So Cindy, happy birthday. And I hope you're not spoiling your new grandchild too much, but I have a feeling you are, and the Ashmores celebrate in Arma.
I just love how much that Casey Wolf is making that couple smile.
Yeah, because mascots, right?
Nice. All right.
Whatever. Casey Wolf getting away on my Priest Holmes record-breaking shot.
All right.
I'm still not. Yeah, I'm still not better though. I'm fine. I'm over.
Okay.
It's fine.
It's fine. And Maxine Rakestraw, turning 88 years old this year. Miss Rakestraw is in Joplin. Happy birthday.
ELOISE KIRK, she's celebrating her 93rd birthday. Love that picture right there. Happy birthday, Miss ELOISE. She is in Neosho.
All right, nice picture there. And Mike CARR is celebrating a birthday this weekend. Hope you have a great one, Mike.
Shelly LaTurner, celebrating 61. Figure out the lack of picture on that one, Miss Shelly, but a very happy birthday to you in Scammon. Jim Pyle, a happy birthday in Pittsburgh. And DT, Doug Taylor, happy birthday in Miami. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, whether you're celebrating on this October the 8th or perhaps over the weekend. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Live TV, we can take tower cam, we can